This month we've been looking at gardening gifts, which you know, to start the new year off on a good note, and we've tried to keep it you know, in a not too expensive range. So we've gone for gifts that you could give to your gardening friends and relatives for under £25. So we've just picked out 3 of the 7 that we've got available, and Steve got something very pretty there.
I like this. I'm keeping hold of this. When you get to my age, you need one of these. It's a lovely Neela, lovely and squidgy, and soft. That use it as a pillow. From Bergen and Ball. Nice pattern on it as well. Passion Passiflora pattern, but and a nice grip at the top, so you can carry it around or hang it up in the shed. Very nice and very comfortable, and keeps your knees dry as well as
and if you've not used one, once you do start using them, you do notice the difference. You think, hey,
no. It's very sad but very true. You do need one of these when you
And what about you? Emma, you got something that looks very nice there too.
A super pair of gloves. These are the gold leaf gloves, the Winter Touch range.
Very nice.
These are from Harrod Horticultural. Being the Winter Touch ones, they've got a lovely fleecy lining, so it's nice and warm. They're so warm,
they're nice, very
warm. And they've got the leather on the fingers there. We've got the suede palms. They're waterproof.
Waterproof, important.
It's really important in winter.
Really thorn resistant.
Very thorn resistant. Ideal for sort of pruning anything like gooseberries, or pruning when you're doing apple tree pruning in the winter. Absolutely beautiful pair of gloves. They're endorsed by the RHS, Royal Society. So gold leaf, they really are a good quality glove too.
And look, a nice fit too.
Perfect fit.
They do, they're going nowhere, are they?
These are my presents.
And another product endorsed by the RHS. What's in here? I wonder if I can open the box. Nice little gift box.
Nice and easy to wrap.
Lovely to wrap, yes. And look at those, aren't they lovely? Nice.
I like those.
Nicely presented.
Fork and trowel set. FSC handles, which are painted. You can get them in red or blue, and carbon steel heads. Nice and shiny, and it's engraved with something. You cannot plough a field by turning it over in your mind.
Very wise words. Very wise words.
Yes, we won't any armchair gardeners here. So what a lovely little gift that would be for someone.
They're going to last you.
So 7 products to look for in the magazine, but these are just 3 which I think are lovely gifts, aren't they, for people?
They are. Yeah.
So have a look for more.